Gattu's new sport shoes. Mummy and Chinky were watching TV together. Gattu and Papa had gone to buy a pair of sports shoes for Gattu.
Mummy, they have been gone for so long. When will Gattu come? I'm excited to see his new shoes. They will be on their way, Chinky. Wait for few more minutes.
Gattu and Papa returned home.
Gattu, you're back. Do you know how long I was waiting for you? Chinky, look at this. Mummy, see my new shoes? Chinky, do you know? These shoes are very special. They change color in sunlight. Oh wow, Gattu, they are really unique.
Gattu finally selected these shoes after going through many shops in the market for 2 hours.
That is why he was able to find such special shoes. Okay, Gattu, now keep them carefully. Otherwise, they will get dirty. No way, Mummy. I won't let them get dirty at all. I will keep them carefully and clean them every day. Very good.
Then Gattu kept his shoes on the top shelf of the shoe rack and also covered them properly with paper.
See, Mummy, now my shoes won't get dirty at all.
Everyone started laughing at Gattu's words. After that, Gattu went to sleep. But Chinky wanted to go to play.
Mummy, where are my shoes? I want to go to play. Oh, Chinky, I have washed your shoes today itself. Why don't you wear Gattu's shoes and go to play? Okay, Mummy, but Gattu won't have any problem, right? Of course not, Chinky. You are siblings. You have to share all your things amongst yourselves. You can go.
Then Chinky went to play. And after some time, Gattu woke up. He started looking for his shoes as soon as he woke up.
Mummy, where are my shoes? I wanted to show them to all my friends. Oh, Chinky wore your shoes and went out. She will come back very soon, Gattu. But why, Mummy? Gattu, don't talk like that. You should share your things with your sister.
That's when Chinky returned.
Chinky, give me my shoes back. I want to show them to my friends. Sure, Gattu, take it. Oh no, what is this? What happened, Gattu? Did the shoes get dirty? They are not dirty, Mummy. They are torn. Chinky has ruined my shoes. There is a hole in this shoe. Oh no, how did it happen, Chinky? Mummy, I might have accidentally ruined it while playing. Sorry, Gattu. Sorry, Mummy.
Chinky apologized to Gattu, but he was very angry. Gattu went to his room crying.
Gattu, wait. Where are you going? You shouldn't react like this. Mummy, Gattu is very angry with me. I don't like it when he is so upset with me.
Mummy saw that Chinky was also on the verge of crying, so she consoled her.
Don't worry, Chinky. This can be repaired. I will talk to Gattu about this. You should go and complete your homework.
Chinky went away sadly and started doing her homework. After some time, Papa came home and Chinky told him everything that happened.
Papa, I'm feeling very bad. Can't we do anything to make Gattu's shoes good again? Are they completely ruined now?
Of course not, Chinky. It's not the case. Come, let's go and get his shoes fixed right now. Hearing this, Chinky was very happy and she quickly got ready to go with Papa to fix the shoes.
Let's go, Papa. Gattu is very upset since he saw them. I want him to be happy again and talk to me. He doesn't look good when he stays quiet.
Then, Chinky and Papa took Gattu's shoes to the cobbler. At home, Mummy went to Gattu's room and tried to convince him.
Gattu, how long are you going to stay angry? Come on, get up and eat something. I have made sandwiches. No, Mummy, I don't want to eat anything. Why did Chinky wear them? I have not worn those shoes even once and she ruined them already.
Saying this, Gattu started crying and Mummy tried to calm him down.
Please don't cry, Gattu. Papa and Chinky have gone to fix your shoes. No, Mummy, my shoes won't be as good as new. I know that.
Mummy was trying to console him when Papa and Chinky also entered the room. Stop crying, Gattu. See, we have got your shoes fixed. They are fine now.
What? Really?
Yes, look at this. Gattu saw his shoes and was very happy that they were good.
Wow, these are looking even better than earlier, Papa.
Yes, Gattu. We asked the cobbler to get G letter embroidered where there was a hole. Now your shoes also have your initials on them.
Wow, it's true. They even look better than before. Gattu, are you happy now? Yes, Mummy. Now I'm not upset at all. So, Gattu, did you forgive me for this? Of course, Tinky. I forgive you for this.
Then Gattu wore his new shoes.
Mummy, can I go and show these shoes to my friends? Sure, Gattu. You can go. But first, eat something. No, Mummy. I want to show this to my friends first. I can't wait any longer. This G looks so cool on my shoes. Okay, fine, Gattu. But come home soon. Gattu, I will also come with you.
This way, Gattu went to show his new sports shoes to his friends. Everyone liked Gattu's shoes very much, and especially the letter G on his shoes. School's PT period. Morning is a healthy time for children. And when they sing joyful prayers at school, they become more healthy and fit. The children were singing prayer together at school.
God's love is so wonderful. God's love is so wonderful. God's love is so wonderful. Oh, wonderful love. So high you can't get over it. So deep you can't get under it. So wide you can't get around it. Oh, wonderful love.
After the prayer, everyone had a smile on their face. One by one, children started sharing quotes and lessons for the day.
Today is Saturday. The quote of the day is health is wealth.
After Gattu, Chinky went to share the lesson of the day.
Today's thought of the day is health is a birthright. And today's lesson is over.
Today I am going to make some announcements from the good thoughts that Gattu and Chinky have shared with us. As you all know, due to the transfer of our PT teacher, PT classes are not happening since the last month. And now I am happy to inform that our new PT teacher is here. The new PT teacher of the school came and stood in front of everyone. Seeing the PT teacher standing in front of them, the faces of the children got downcasted because no one in the school used to like the PT class at all. Children, as Gattu and Chinky shared today's thought, health is wealth and health is our birthright. That's why PT period will be taken on every Saturday after the school. And from today, the PT period will resume. The new PT teacher noticed the downcast faces of the children. Now I want your new PT teacher to share his vision. Good morning, students. Health is the essence of life. Without it, everything is useless. Arogyam Dhan Sampada. We have been hearing this mantra since childhood. That's why we should pay special attention to our health. Today, I will make you all do PT. And I am sure you will all enjoy. All the children gathered on the ground in PT uniform in no time.
Oh God, today we have a PT period. PT teachers are very strict and this new sir also seemed to be strict. You are right, Gattu. He not only looks strict, but he is strict. Haven't you seen how he was talking? I don't like PT period at all. I know today's PT period is going to be very tiring. How good it was when there was no PT teacher. I have thought I will pretend to have headache today so that I don't have to do PT standing in the sun. Gattu, don't do this. Everyone cannot make this excuse.
The children stopped talking as soon as the PT teacher came on the ground. Before this, let us understand the instructions. Today is the first day. So, I will show you everything by myself. The PT teacher brought with him another trainer who could instruct by playing the drums. Attention! And all the children stood in the attention position. Stand at ease. And all the children stood in stand at ease position. Attention! The trainer started playing drums on the PT teacher's instruction. The teacher started the first part of the PT. On the beat of the drum, the PT teacher started doing all exercises one by one. Hands down, then hands up. Hands down, then hands up. By doing this, the PT teacher started exercising the children very comfortably. Some of the children started having pain in their hands. When one round of PT was completed, the PT teacher asked the trainer to stop the drum. Now, we will do the important exercise of PT. Attention! Stand at ease. Attention! Well, now everyone will pay attention to the sound of the drum. Drum started playing. The PT teacher raised both his hands like a bird in the air. And as soon as the drum instructed, he clapped his hands in the air. Everyone start doing this. By doing this, the PT teacher started exercising the children very comfortably. Some of the children started having pain in their hands. Everyone will pay attention to the sound of the drums. On the instruction of PT teacher, the drums suddenly started playing fast. In the same way, the children started clapping their hands loudly in the air. Bunty stopped in the middle. Seeing the PT teacher, Bunty started clapping again. However, Gattu Chinky were exercising out of challenge, just to show each other who is stronger among them. The PT lasted for a long time. The drum stopped. Very good, kids. All the kids did very well. Now I will make you all work out in colorful hurdles.
Hurdles? It is used in big races, sir.
Yes, Gattu. I want all of you kids to take part in the big races in the future and also win them. The instructor quickly placed the colorful hurdles on the ground. Well, now all the children should stand in front of these colorful hurdles. Look at me carefully first. Okay. The PT teacher instructed everyone. Now the PT teacher raised one leg and jumped over the hurdle. By doing this, the teacher did a knee jump run from 7 hurdles. Did everyone understand? You all have to do it like this.
It will be a lot of fun. But Gattu, you were going to pretend to have headache during PT period, weren't you? Hey Chinky, please, the PT teacher might hear this. I have to attend the whole PT period.
Everyone laughed. One by one, everyone crossed the hurdle like sir did.
Wow, sir, it was a lot of fun. Yes, sir, we learned new PT workout. You made us do a different kind of PT. That's why we enjoyed it. I am waiting for next Saturday.
Children were tired, but everyone enjoyed. Good, good. But it's not yet over.
Sir, do we have to do something else?
Bunty spoke while gasping and everyone laughed. Bunty, today's period is over. But I want to make some announcement regarding PT period. We will choose 2 monitors for the PT period, which will be taken on every Saturday, who will guide everyone by standing in front.
Sir, is there a monitor for PT period as well?
Yes. Why not keep a PT period monitor like every other period? And our next PT period monitor is Gattu and Chinky. Next Saturday, both of you will stand in front and guide all the other students by doing the PT workouts.
But sir, are we doing properly? Yes, sir, because we have never properly done PT before.
Yes, Gattu and Chinky. I watched both of you carefully. You are exercising very well. That's why both of you are the PT monitors for the next PT period.
Thank you so much, sir.
And in this way, Gattu and Chinky could understand the real meaning of physical training and were made monitors for the PT period.
If you are liking our videos, then like them, comment them and subscribe.